Hello, I'm in a 2015 Jeep Wrangler, and today I'm going to show you how to check your oil level. So first you open the hood, and then look for this dipstick while the vehicle's off. Pull the dipstick all the way out, and then wipe it clean with a good rag or paper towel. Stick it back in here all the way. And then you pull it all the way back out again. And then towards the end here, you should see this little thing here. Towards the left is your full, and then towards the right of this grid mark is your low. So you want it pretty close to the left, if not just over. Let's see, it was low. Stick this all the way back in. And then still while the motor is off. Then we'll look for this cap here. This is where you're going to add your new oil to. Make sure you're using the proper type of oil, as well as ideally the same synthetic, conventional, and brand you've been using. But to add, you just unscrew this cap, and then either with the funnel or straight from your quart jug, just fill as needed. Try not to overfill as well if you can help it. But screw this back on nice and tight when you're done. Then I'd start the vehicle for like 5 seconds or so to circulate the new oil. Turn it off, and then repeat the process we did in the very beginning with that dipstick, pulling it out to see if we're at the full mark. And all that, I wouldn't do any of this in replacement of your regular oil changes, which depending on type of motor, type of oil, and mileage on the motor can vary anywhere from usually between 3,000 to 8,000 miles or so. But to do those, typically you put the vehicle on a slight lift, get underneath to the oil pan, pull the oil plug, drain all the old oil out, replace any filters as needed, screw the plug back in nice and tight, and then from the same area here is where you would add your new oil for whatever's recommended for an oil change for your particular motor. Screw this on nice and tight again. Start the motor for like 5 seconds or so again to circulate that new oil, turn it off, and then as we did in the very beginning, once again check through this dipstick to see if we're at that full mark. But I hope all this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.